Welcome back to Carnation. Today we're taking a detailed look at a truly massive and fascinating machine. The 2026-27 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. This is not your typical recreational vehicle, based on the bold presence and heavy-duty character associated with Kenworth's long-haul trucks. This concept-style motorhome represents the idea of combining truck-level capability with the comfort of a luxury home on wheels. So let's explore its exterior, interior, performance, technology, practicality, and expected pricing. Starting with the exterior, the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome immediately commands attention. Its design is expected to feature a large, aerodynamic front profile, a tall cab, and a wide body that gives it an unmistakable heavy-duty appearance. The front end could incorporate a large grille, modern LED lighting, sculpted body panels, and a commanding windshield designed to provide excellent visibility for long-distance driving from the side. The huge proportions become even more impressive. The long wheelbase provides space for a spacious living section behind the driver's area, while large wheels and heavy-duty tires reinforce the truck-inspired identity. Depending on the configuration, the motorhome could also feature exterior storage compartments, automatic steps, large windows, and powered awnings. The rear section is where this vehicle really starts to feel like a luxury apartment on wheels. A large rear living area could include additional windows, exterior lighting, storage access, and potentially an outdoor entertainment setup. The overall design combines the rugged appearance of a Class 8 truck with the comfort-focused proportions of a premium motorhome. Step inside and the experience changes completely. Instead of feeling like a traditional truck cabin, the interior concept can be imagined as a premium mobile living space. The driver and passenger area would likely feature comfortable captain's chairs, a modern dashboard, digital displays, advanced navigation, and a wide field of visibility. The living area could be designed around comfort and flexibility. Imagine premium seating, a large entertainment display, a modern kitchen, and a dining area that can transform depending on your needs. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, practical storage, and ambient lighting could give the cabin a sophisticated atmosphere. Well-equipped kitchen could include a refrigerator, microwave, cooking area, sink, cabinets, and plenty of counter space. For longer journeys, these features would make the 2000 much more practical than a conventional vehicle. The sleeping area could provide a large bed with integrated storage and personal lighting, while the bathroom could include a shower, toilet, sink, and modern fixtures. Technology would also be an important part of the experience. A next-generation motorhome like this could feature touchscreen controls, digital instrument displays, smartphone connectivity, advanced climate control, multiple cameras, and driver assistance technologies. A smart control system could potentially allow occupants to manage lighting, temperature, entertainment, and other functions from a central interface. Now let's talk about performance. The biggest advantage of a Kenworth-based motorhome would be its heavy-duty foundation. Rather than being designed primarily like a passenger vehicle, a truck platform is built to handle substantial weight and long-distance operation. A powerful diesel engine would be the logical choice for a vehicle of this size, delivering strong torque for highway cruising, and heavy loads on acceleration obviously wouldn't be the main priority. Instead, the focus would be on pulling power, stability, durability, and efficient long-distance travel. A heavy-duty automatic transmission could provide smooth gear changes while making the vehicle easier to operate. The suspension would also need to balance truck-level load capacity with the comfort expected from a luxury motorhome. Fuel economy, however, would be one of the compromises. A vehicle this large and heavy would consume considerably more fuel than an ordinary SUV or camper van. But for buyers who prioritize space, durability, and long-distance capability, that compromise may be acceptable. Another important consideration is maneuverability. Despite advanced cameras and driver assistance systems, the T2000 Motorhome would be a very large vehicle. Parking, navigating narrow roads, and entering smaller campgrounds could require careful planning. On open highways and spacious RV facilities, however, its size becomes a major advantage. As for pricing, there is an important point to remember. A specific official production price for a 26-27 Kenworth T2000 motorhome is not something that can be confidently stated without confirmed manufacturer specifications, and an official sales announcement. If such a vehicle were produced as an ultra-luxury custom motorhome, the price could potentially reach several $100,000, depending on the chassis, engine, interior materials, technology, and customization. That puts the T2000 concept into a completely different category from mainstream RVs. It would be aimed at buyers who want maximum space, heavy-duty capability, and a highly personalized travel experience. Overall, the 2026-27 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is an exciting vision of what happens when heavy-duty trucking meets luxury, recreational travel. Its biggest strengths would be its commanding exterior, enormous interior space, powerful truck-based platform, and potential for premium customization. Its biggest drawbacks would likely include high fuel consumption, large dimensions, challenging maneuverability, and a potentially very high purchase price. If Kenworth or a specialist manufacturer ever turns a truck-based luxury motorhome concept like this into a production reality, it could attract serious attention from long-distance travelers and luxury RV enthusiasts, and that brings us to the end of today's review. What do you think about the 2026-27 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome? Would you choose a massive truck-based luxury motorhome for your next adventure? Or would you prefer something smaller and easier to drive? Let us know your thoughts. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting vehicle reviews here on Car Nation.